What's up, suckers? What's up? What's up? Oh yeah, so this today, man, it's one of those days where there's like no news. I'm sorry, this week. This week is one of those weeks where there isn't really much news, man. I mean, let's take a look again. Okay, where did I put it? So Monday there was 10 a.m. news, and the next high impact for my particular pair is Thursday, yo, at 8:30. I mean, that's cool. That's cool. But again, like I said in one of the videos, one of the previous videos, I don't really know how this week's going to play out because there isn't that much high impact. So I'm going to pause. I do apologize. There was some guy cutting grass out there, and he's coming back. All right, so man, that guy's still around the corner. So if it does get loud, I will pause it. All right, so not gonna lie, man, this was actually an interesting trading session, man, because I mean, it was kind of rough this first trade. I got blown out of there, but I handled my own. You know, that's the nature of this game, man. That's the nature of this beast. Like I'm kind of built for that. You know what I'm saying? I hate it. I dislike it, but it's all good. I was ready to react with proper risk. So right now, the market is just doing what it wants to do. It failed to displace above this full figure. I saw beautiful price action, nice BPR, anticipating price to run lows here, which would be the daily low. Hey, I'm gonna take my shot, baby. I'm gonna take my shot because what I can see is this technically is a very premium price for me. I'm selling at the most premium price according to my system. Now, I also was gonna buy here because the market was pushing up, and I saw my setup. You got to think quick to trade how I trade, and you just got to kind of just like also be chill and not push the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't try to revenge trade. I just got in the trade because it was my system. Had it not formulated, I would have just been sitting, even with the first L. Now after the second L, I'm gonna chill. Honestly, I'm gonna take some time off. You know, I could also come back in PM session. It depends how I feel. Depends what I got going on. But that's the power of trading with low risk. You know what I'm saying? Always hit it off with low risk for high frequency trading. I do high frequency trading. Everything is low risk, baby. All right, so it's prime time right now. It's 10:30 a.m. Anything can happen at this point. Prices failing to displace above those highs. The algorithm very well could go above there seeking liquidity because if you see from the line chart, it broke it broke this low, grab liquidity, broke structure. It could be going higher because it broke structure here as well. This could be that discounted price, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Who knows? But regardless, I took a high probable entry. High probable. That's it. That's all you can ask for. You cannot do anything else. I forgot this was even a trade. I just pointed this out as a system that you can use. This ain't my trade. I identified it, and that's cool. I don't give a fuck. This is what I trade. I trade the same thing. This was a bit of a fluke. This was a bit of a minor fluke, but this was a very, very good trade. Very, very good trade. High quality. High quality. That's how you bounce back. That's how you bounce back. Even though it's not really showing the proper entry compared to my MetaTrader, the idea is what counts, man. So I'm gonna pause it a little bit, kind of just let the market move a little bit, and then come back. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get this trade in there. Now this would have been a sweet entry right here. Yeah, this would have been a sweet entry. I would have taken this up for sure. Just got stopped out the trade. Would have taken this for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and feed my ego. Oh, this is one of them ones, man. Just can't even catch this one. It may come down though. It may come down. I'm glad I got it though. The power of trading. This idea just wasn't supported. Now I'm anticipating price to go to this next full figure, the 33,700. Perhaps targeting, boom. Let's show it. You feel me? Right there. Perhaps targeting that. Ooh. Shoot. I'm going to go ahead and enter one last trade. One last trade, buddy. Let's give it our all, man. Let's if I can get a decent fill. I'll get in. Stop loss. Get like a nice little decent fill. That'll be it. It's a decent entry, so let's see. I would prefer it to come here. Oh boy. I just literally had the dog just throw up, man. So I'm gonna try to catch a good entry. Now that the dog hopefully is done throwing up. This is gonna be my last trade. Last trade of the day. Let's see what happens. This is the algorithm. Risking 0.15%. Why? This is a nice imbalance. Broke starts to the upside. Bullish price. Price is reversing from this area. It's a buy side move. Looking to take the trade to the 33,700. We want to see price dig in just a little bit so I can get a better entry. This is a little too far from my taste. So let's see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and create the limit order. Yeah, let's do the limit order. Yeah, 0.15 limit. All right. I'm going to set the limit for MetaTrader as well. That way, when it taps me in, I'm ready, baby. I'm ready, baby. Cool. All right, let's see if it taps in. If not, no, I'm done trading. I'm going to pause it. All right, back. So, very interesting trading day, man. Let me see. I got it. Hey, this is what happens. So, what occurred? This was the ultimate high of the day. We had this nice. BPR right here, and then price broke down. It broke down and it took it straight to the next full figure. I was already out of options, man. I already traded my system. I already traded all my shots. I'm not gonna force it, dude. This is a very good trade going short, but that's what I do. I'm a trader. I take my shots where I see fit. It just ain't work today. There were some great trades though. Some very good trades. This was an entry for somebody right here. But this was the original short that I wanted to see. As you can see, it went to grab liquidity here. So I mean, hey, you're gonna trading can suck, man, honestly, because that's just what it is. You don't know what's gonna happen, but you have an idea, and you kind of just have to take your shot, win or lose. Here's what it is. I'm more satisfied that I took the correct trades. Even though this trade was a little off, I don't have the position tool to show it. This candle was a fluke. I wouldn't have gotten in here. It was a bit of a fluke. This was a very good trade entry. This entry was a good entry too. Even though it's a BPR, I didn't anticipate that. I didn't anticipate it being a BPR. Now, this was a limit order because I had the conviction of it going higher. It broke structure to the upside. I didn't know it was going to do this. I didn't know this was a grab of liquidity and not go higher. You never really know. You never really know. But this is what it was. Time and price, though. Boom. Anyway, it's your boy US30. I'm done for the day. Hey, road 85K, though. Where we at? It doesn't matter. But road 85K, man. Yo, again, please like, comment, subscribe. Road to 10 subscribers, bro. Road to 10 subscribers, man. 10 lucky subscribers, man. Come join me. Come support your boy. I mean, I love price action, man. I love the patience you have to have, the stick to itiveness, you know, the control you have to have to play this game. You know, I guess I might as well just rant a little bit since it's an open video. I'm showing y'all raw trades, man. Like seriously, this is my life. This is what I do. I'm okay with this. In fact, yeah, let me go ahead and show the other trade. I got it somewhere around here. This is gonna look a little cheesy, but I want people to see this is how I trade. Boom. Took a trade, took it long. I thought I was gonna go long. Lost it. Took a short. Thought I was gonna go short. Target in here. Lost it. Took it long. Getting the retest, the repricing of this buy side inefficiency. This looked to me like a breakaway candle in real time. Lost that shit. And by the time this nice setup formulated, I was already out of options or out of tries because I utilize all my risks that I'm comfortably willing to use. I don't care. I don't care what I can't care. I just have to take it for what it is. Yeah, this was a tough day, but you know, that's trading. Oh, this is the worst day that you're gonna have out of the week. The next few days I might have no trades or I might catch a cool trade or I might catch one good trade, one bad trade. But this might have been the worst day of the week. In fact, it might have been the worst day of the bye week. Because I haven't had a day like this in a minute. Sometimes you need these refreshers to let you know how real this shit is. You need to get washed around, you know what I'm saying? But again, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap because you know I traded the New York session, got wrecked. But my idea just wasn't supported. That's just it. My idea just wasn't supported. I'm still trading the same exact setup. That's the beauty, man. Trade the same exact setup, manage your risk, and you'll live to see another day, bro. All right.